Go get it. Get the ball.
After I've been true to you, so deep in love with you.
Yeah.
Baby, 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 ooh, till it's hurting me, baby love, ooh, baby love. Don't throw our
Come here.
love away.
Bring me the ball.
Don't
Come on,
throw
bring me the
our
ball.
love away.
Good boy, Charlie. Come here, Maya. Give mommy the ball. Come on. Give it to me. Come on.
A hawk must have killed something. See, like feather shred.
Come here. Okay, go get it. Come on. Come here, Casper. Get the ball, Maya. Come here. Bring me the ball. Come on, give me the ball. Good girl. Good girl. Come on.
Give it to Casper.
Ooh, Casper, that's good. Woo! Come on. Sit. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Come on. Come on. Here, Casper. Casper. Come on, you guys. Go get it. Come on. Bring me back the ball. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Give me the ball. Okay, come on. Get it. Whoa. Get it, Casper. Get it. Hey, Charlie, come on. Give me the ball. Charlie. Good boy. Okay, Charlie, come on, get it. Go on, Charlie. Go on.
Good girl.
Drop it. Give me the ball.
Running with many falls over.
Charlie. Here, Charlie. Come on, Maya. Come on, you guys. Go get it. Go, Charlie. You know, you gotta pick it up.
Huh?
You gotta pick it up, Char.
What are you doing, Maddie?
Do the flip.
Got the Maddie. Let's hear it. Got a little boy.
Charlie. Easy, Charlie. Easy. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. Easy. Good.
You see that ear? Oh, what are you doing, Maddie? You see that ear? Stand up. Come on, put that ear up. So you're big and handsome. Big and handsome.
Give me the ball. Come here, Charlie. Bring me the ball. Get the ball. Give me the ball, Maya.
He just lunges at
I know.
you. He launches. Oh,
Come here, Maya. Bring me the ball. Come on. Give it. Maya. Come here, silly. Come here. I got it. I got it. Okay, get it. Okay, get it, you guys. Go. Maya. Bring me the ball. Hey, Charlie.
You always gotta be a good boy. Right?
Easy, easy. Kisses nice.
Hey, Maya. Say hi. Say hi, Casper. Say hi. Casper.
They're all pretty much in a mellow mood, you know? I haven't really heard any growling. They're just real happy. You happy? I see one ball, two balls.
Let go.
Charlie, stop.
Charlie.
The parrot's gonna get you. Yeah, it's being really good today. Easy, easy.
Come on. Here, get the ball. Come on. Come on. Go get the ball. Come on. Good girl, Maya. Come on. Come on.
Good girl.
All right.